Hello and welcome to your final maths lesson for this week. So all week we have been learning all about time. We have learned how to tell the time, and yesterday we started looking at converting between a 12 and a 24-hour clock. So today we're going to apply that knowledge again, so we're really confident with it. How are we going to do it? Well, it's old learning retrieved, and it's retrieved from yesterday. And the why, the same as ever this week, so that we can tell the time, because as I keep repeating, it really is such an important life skill. Okay, we are going to do a little rewind, then we're going to do a discover and a think together, but they are going to be really quick ones. And that is because we are going to have another go at LBQ. So you've been really enjoying going on learning by questions. And I think lots of you have been finding the feedback that it gives you straight away really helpful. So if you feel really confident and you want to get straight on with the LBQ, that is absolutely fine. So as ever, it's www.lbq.org/tasks, and then type in the code, which you will find on the PDF and the timetable on Class Dojo. And it is converting between 12 hours and 24 hours. If you're not feeling as confident, that is absolutely fine. Please still keep watching because I need someone to watch this video that I've made, and we're going to get started with a rewind. A little fluency first for us. First things first then, and this is rewinding back to yesterday. Can you turn these into either a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock, depending on which they've started in? And can you draw them on an analog clock? Can you have a go at drawing them as an analog clock? Off we go. Answer time then. So 14:11, the 14 tells me on the 24-hour clock that's in the afternoon, so I'm going to need PM. 14 hours, take away 12 hours would be 2, so this would be 2:11 PM or 11 minutes past 2. And I have shown this on my analog clock by showing my minutes hand just past the 10 minutes. 5:33 PM then, well, the PM tells me it's in the afternoon. So on a 24-hour clock, it's going to be past 12. So 5 hours plus 12 hours would be 17 hours. So this would be 17:33. And I have shown this on my analog clock by showing it's just past 5:30. Right then, nice, easy discover for us today. So all I want you to do is, can you please draw on the analog clock, what time is it? So what time is it in this scenario on an analog clock? Fingers crossed we found this nice and easy. So in the background, it shows 8:54 AM. So in Latin, AM means ante meridiem, which means before midday, and PM means post meridian. But we've kind of tried to say that AM is at morning because it's easier for us to remember. So it's 8:54 AM, so it's 8:54 in the morning, which means then that my minute hand needs to be past the 8, in fact, nearly at the 9, and my minutes hand needs to show 54 minutes past. So it needs to be 50 minutes would be at the 10, and then 4 minutes past that. And we can also say that this is 6 minutes to 9. So hopefully your clock looked like this one. Well done if you got that right. All right then, here is our think together. And then after this, we will go on to LBQ. So pause the video, have a go. Can you match up the correct clocks? Answer time then, here we are. So you should have had A and 2, C and 4, B and 3, and D and 1. And hopefully this problem kind of demonstrates why we need the AM and the PM, because otherwise we can't tell whether C is 4:30 at night or 4:30 in the morning. And having that 4:30 AM makes it really clear for us. Lovely, well done. Okay then, it is now our independent activity and we're going to have a go on LBQ. So I want everyone to try and have a go today on LBQ. Most of us have been logging in successfully. So it's www.lbq.org/tasks. Type in the code, which will be on Class Dojo on the timetable PDF, and then have a go. We will be having a look and seeing how you get on. So the questions should start off quite easy, and then they get a little bit harder and a little bit harder. And the last ones are real problem solving ones. Okay, well done for today. And I will see you next week. Bye.